Hi, this is my mom's dog. Um, little Larry, say hi. I think he looks so adorable in his onesie. Has a little puppy dog right on his outfit, and over here it says Wolf, and you have to see his little feet. They have little dog prints on the bottom of his feet. They're so gorgeous. Okay. Sorry if you can't really understand me. It's I have a little cold. And I haven't done much videos because I haven't really had the time, but I wanted to let you guys know that my son is getting a reborn monkey. It should come here tomorrow, or the latest Saturday. I'm gonna do a box. He's gonna do a box opening video of him, opening his monkey, and I cannot wait till it's a surprise. He knows he's getting a monkey, but he don't know when. And we paid it off. He don't know that it's paid off and it's already shipped. So this is going to be a nice little surprise for my son. So, yeah, I'm going to do the box opening of his reborn monkey when he comes, probably tomorrow, or hopefully tomorrow, if not the latest Saturday. But we will do a box opening for you guys. Yeah, like I said, sorry about my voice. I'm sick. I have a little cold. So, okay. Say bye-bye. Say thanks for watching. Okay, bye.